Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds to 9 o'clock, with news that fear gripped markets on Saturday as the trading week came to an end. The price of oil is now just $29 a barrel, mainly on concerns about an impending surge in supplies from Iraq and Iran. In fact, right now, the Brent benchmark is below $29 a barrel. Oil companies are under severe pressure. In fact, the gold price is up $15 an ounce to $1,089 an ounce, although that is only a minor increase in the circumstances. There was and is a rush to the safety of bonds, with the benchmark US Treasury 10-year yield down sharply, now yielding just 2.04%. On Wall Street, the Dow was down 2.6%, the S&P down 2.5%, and the Nasdaq was down more than 3%. This followed the realisation that the Chinese government's campaign to restore confidence in that country's volatile stock markets appeared to be in tatters on Friday. The benchmark Shanghai index wiped out all the gains since the depths of last year's crash. Policymakers everywhere are on high alert. In fact, emerging markets may become the next group to use unconventional measures to tackle any crisis. Money printing could go mainstream. The Kiwi dollar has actually held up fairly well through all of this, although it starts today lower, just back to the levels we saw in last October. It starts at 64.7 US cents, 94.3 Aussie cents, and at 59.3 euro cents. The TWI is pretty much unchanged at 70.4. But falling currencies don't hurt everyone. And finally, there are some grunty data releases this week. At some point, the REINZ will issue its December results, maybe tomorrow, and the NZIER will release its quarterly survey of business opinion tomorrow too. Wednesday will start with the dairy auction, and the whole milk powder price signs are not overly encouraging. That's followed by the fourth quarter CPI data. There, Westpac sees a fresh new low of just 0.2% annual rate. This will be followed by some consumer confidence data on Thursday and the November Crown accounts on Friday. And the big overseas economic data will come from China, who will publish their fourth quarter GDP result in mid-afternoon on Tuesday. Analysts are always a bit sceptical of this data, but all the same, the signals will be important. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.